Hello everyone from Tony the Scarred Ghost. Today I'm going to have my biggest unboxing ever and you will see why. And this is all happening because I've just become a Dell Pro Precision Ambassador, which basically means I've joined the program by Dell and Nvidia. They gave me some cool hardware, we'll see in a while, so that I can do some cool experiments with XR and AI and share them with you. So it's a win-win for everyone because I'll try cool stuff, you will see my cool experiments. So I guess the next weeks are going to be pretty fun. But now it's unboxing time. Let's open 3 big boxes with you. So let's start with the first box. Okay, so it's a big box. I don't know what's going to contain. I'm pretty excited. So today, by the way, when it arrived, I thought it was just some small package, and instead it was 3 big packages to bring into my home. So let's see what's inside. This, a lot of fries. No, I'm joking. This is just to protect the content. So first thing, ultra sharp webcam from Dell. So thanks Dell also for this. I guess I will also open this one just to quickly. I will not do an unboxing or we just stay here for one day, but maybe just a quick look. This looks like a pretty cool camera. So this will help my next videos also. So very nice. This one. Second, from this symbol, I guess these are headphones. This didn't work as I was expecting, so I will still use the scissors. And okay. And here we are with this soft case. This is very soft. It's I love it. So let's see what's inside. And inside, these are some headphones, and they look also to be wireless. So I will look like a guy from a call center probably using this, but it's very useful. Also because my previous one got broken, so very good to have them as well. Oh, pretty heavy. Keyboard and mouse. Okay, so before opening it, let's look at the box. Here, keyboard, and by the way, it's Bluetooth, so I will be able to use it also with my Quest, probably. That's pretty cool. More productivity in XR for me because I didn't have a Bluetooth keyboard. And voila, keyboard and mouse. Wow, they look pretty cool. This is the mouse. Very, very professional, as every Dell product, by the way. And this is the keyboard. Feels satisfying when pressing it. For the rest, it's a keyboard, and by the way, it's American layout. I would have preferred the Italian one, but hey, that's still cool. And nothing more. So first box is over. And now second box. Okay, so you can guess what's in this box because the shape is very recognizable. But anyway, let's pretend we don't know. And let's unbox this other Dell hardware. So who knows what's inside? Okay, now taking it out is going to be a bit complicated, but I will try. I guess maybe I can open this. I guess it's easier. Okay, so okay. So a large monitor. Also, this one, of course, by Dell. HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, and USB, and all the rest. This is basically a cool monitor. I don't remember what are the specs, but that's okay. And this is just the mount for the monitor. So, okay. Let me try to open this one as well. And here you are. So, I will study how to put it better. Yes, there are smart ways to use it, but I'm not smart enough to understand it now. But I guess it's something like this. So this probably to attach it to the wall or also to... I have no idea. But anyway, it goes like this. So I guess there is another missing part here, which is somewhere in the box. So here, cable, okay. There is other stuff to take for this unboxing. So this is DisplayPort cable. This is power supply cable. This is, I don't know, USB stuff cable. So here it is, instructions, how to install it, and then the base, which will go here most probably. So you can imagine how this looks like if I mount it later, of course. And now the most important moment, the box. Okay, now the most important moment, because we saw the mouse, we saw the monitor, the display, and one thing is missing for a setup ready for VR and AI. And you can guess what this is. Ole! This is what should be a Dell Pro Max T2 Tower. Super cool PC. So here you have the cable that I throw away when opening it. This is also American plug, but I can use an adapter here in Italy, no worries. So now let me take this beast out. Oh! Wow. Ah. Hola. Hola. So here you are, Dell Pro Max Tower T2, powered by Intel with a super cool graphics card by NVIDIA. If I remember well, it's like an RTX 6000. This means it is not a consumer graphics card, but it's a professional enterprise one. It should be super powerful and allow me to do some cool experiment with AI, so I can run some models locally or stuff like that. So this is super cool. You see USB ports. It's very clean. It's very serious because it's Dell, you know, it's an enterprise brand. It's not a gaming one with all these neons and such. So it's very clean, very black. And let's see here, the graphics card, Windows power, a lot of USB ports, USB everywhere. This is for the power and all the rest. So this looks amazing. And wow. And that's it. So you can see this will be my new rig for VR and AI tests. So this very powerful Dell Pro Max Tower T2 and all these other gadgets by Dell. So having been Dell Pro Precision Ambassador is going to be pretty cool, because I can't wait to try this super graphics card with like VR games, and also to do some experiments with AI training and such on this beast PC. Very happy about that. Thanks for following this unboxing. Please, if you liked it, like and subscribe, especially if you want to follow my upcoming experiments. For now, thank you all. Have a good day in VR and VR. Bye-bye.